Friends. The sun is up, it is a brand new day. Areebun smiles and jumps to play. Pyon says, "Come on, let us go. Getting dressed is fun, you know." Get dressed, time to start the day. Shirt and pants, socks and shoes. Now we are ready to play. First my shirt goes over my head. One arm here and one arm there. Pull it down and give a smile. Looking great in just a while. Get dressed, time to start the day. Shirt and pants, socks and shoes. Now we are ready to play. Now my pants go on just right. One leg, two legs, nice and bright. Socks go on my little feet. Warm and comfy, nice and neat. Zip it up, button it down. Turn around, jump around. Look in the mirror, what do you see? A happy little dressed up me. Get dressed,